Good morning, students. Now, start with question studies. Example 3.3. If alpha, beta, and gamma are the roots of this equation, x cubed plus px squared plus qx plus r equal to 0, find the value of sigma 1 by beta gamma in terms of the coefficient. Solution: here since alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of this equation, x cubed plus px squared plus qx plus r equal to 0. Here sum of the roots sigma 1 is clear as sigma 1 alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. Here the value of b is p minus p by 1, that is equal to minus p. Sigma 2 product of two roots, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. The value of c is q by 1, that is q. Then sigma 3 product of three roots, alpha beta gamma, alpha beta gamma, that is equal to minus b by a. The value of d is r minus r by 1, that is equal to minus r. Now we have found out this value of sigma 1 by beta gamma. Sigma 1 by beta gamma equal to the summation here, the reciprocal is there is 1 by beta gamma plus 1 by gamma alpha plus 1 by alpha beta. That is equal to, take the LCM for this three terms. In terms of alpha is common, then beta gamma. So LCM is alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma divided by beta gamma, there is alpha beta gamma divided by, what about this value? First value beta gamma, then cancel remaining term is alpha. So alpha similarly here beta, here gamma. What is the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma? Minus p divided by alpha beta gamma minus r. Minus minus cancel, that is equal to p divided by r. That's the answer. Next question, example 3.4. Find the sum of the square of the roots of ax4 plus bx cubed plus cx squared plus dx plus e equal to 0, a not equal to 0. Sum of square of the roots. Here it is the fourth order equation. For root p alpha beta gamma delta. We have found out this value of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. That is to find. Solution: let alpha, beta, gamma and lambda are the roots of ax power 4 plus bx cubed plus cx squared plus dx plus e equal to 0. Sigma 1 sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equal to the formula minus b by a. Sigma 2 sum of product of two roots, that is alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha lambda plus beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma delta. 3.6 times. Okay, that is equal to C by A. Sigma 3, sum of product of three roots. Alpha, beta, gamma plus beta, gamma, delta plus gamma, delta, alpha. Gamma, delta, alpha equal to minus D by A. Sigma 4, sum of product of four roots. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta equal to E by A. Okay, here we can find out alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. We know in the algebra formula A plus B plus C plus D the whole square equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus D square plus 2 into AB plus AC plus AD plus BC plus BD plus CD. Using this formula, we can find out this value. Therefore, that formula alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus lambda square implies A equal to alpha, B equal to beta, C equal to gamma plus D equal to delta equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus lambda equal square minus 2 into alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta gamma plus beta delta plus gamma delta. Substitute the value. What about this value of alpha plus beta plus gamma minus D by A? That is minus D by A whole square minus 2 into sigma 2, that is C by A. That is equal to B square by A square minus 2C by A. Then take LCM. A square is LCM. That is B square minus 2 into AC. We get the answer. That's okay. Next question. Example 3.5. Find the condition that the roots of cubic equation x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 are in the ratio p is to q is to r. Okay, since the roots in the ratio, solution, since the roots in the ratio p is to q is to r. Let us assume the roots p. You can multiply any constant value in this ratio. Let us assume lambda, p lambda, q lambda, and r lambda. Let us assume the roots p lambda, q lambda, and r lambda. Okay, that is some sigma 1, sum of the roots, this root p, this roots, p lambda plus q lambda plus r lambda equal to what about this formula? Minus d by a. Here, a equal to 1, b equal to a, c equal to b, b equal to c. That is what about this value? Minus a by 1, that is equal to minus a. Sigma 2, sum of the roots is p lambda into q lambda plus q lambda into r lambda plus r lambda into p lambda into p lambda equal to the formula c by a. What about this value of c here? b by 1, that is b. Sigma 3, product of three roots. There is p lambda into q lambda into r lambda equal to minus d by a. The value of d is, what about this value of d? C. Minus c by 1, that is equal to minus c. This is equation number 1. It is 2 is 3. Solving 1, 2, 3, what makes that is the conditions. Okay. Any method you can solve 1, 2, 3 using this equation. That's in equation 1. Give what's the common term for this? Lambda is common. Lambda is p plus q plus r equal to minus a. Therefore, lambda equal to minus a divided by p plus q plus r. In equation 3 gives here p q r p q r into lambda into lambda square into lambda cube equal to minus c. Therefore, lambda cube equal to minus c by p q r. Using this equation number 4, it is 5. Substitute the value of lambda in this equation, that is minus a divided by p plus q plus r the whole cube equal to minus c by p q r. That is equal to here minus a cube divided by p plus q plus r the whole cube equal to minus c divided by p q r. Minus what? Minus cancel. Therefore, that a cube cross multiplied, that is p q r into a cube equal to c into p plus q plus r the whole cube. Okay. Here, using this equation 1, we have found out this value of lambda. Then equation 3, lambda equal to minus c by p q r. Then substitute the value of lambda in equation 3. We get the required condition for the cube roots of cubic equations. Okay, students?